Hello students, welcome to my mathematics channel Basic Mathematics. आशा करुच्ची तुम्हें माने एथुरु निश्चित भाव उपकृत होउथिबो. आमे एपर्यंत पढ़िथिले स्टेटमेंट काहाकू कहंती आउ नेगेशन ऑफ ए स्टेटमेंट कहले कोन बुझो एवं ताकू केमति रिप्रेजेंट करो एवं तार truth value कौन होबो. with the help of truth table we can determine or with the help of the law of negation. इस विषय में पढ़िथिले. तो फर्स्ट, what is a statement or a proposition? Proposition is a declarative sentence. Declarative sentence, first it should be declarative and it should have a truth value, true or false, but not both. Okay, then negation of a statement. While we are modifying a statement using the word not, that means denial of that statement. Denial means जो स्टेटमेंट को आम सहज ग्रहण कर ताहा सत्य बोली तार ऑपोजिट टाइम मुंडरे आसुची. सपोज वन से दैट 2 is both prime and rational. 2 is a prime number as well as a even, suppose even number, prime and even, right? Yes, it is true. If somebody will not accept, जने जदि को accept करिबो नहीं that 2 is both prime and even, से कौन कहिबो? It is not true. It is not true that 2 is both prime and even, right? This is the negation. Yes, P. Suppose P is the statement which represents 2 is both prime and even. It is a prime number as well as an even number. If someone will deny it, so what she will say that it's negation. That is, it is not true. It is not the case, or it is not true that 2 is both prime and even, right? And you see, this is a true statement. Clearly this will be false. This will be false. Similarly, if Q is a statement 2 into 3 is equal to 7, it is a false statement. Its negation will be what? 2 into 3 is not equal to 7. It is not equal to 7, right? Its statement is like this. Similarly, P, suppose R, another statement. Suppose R 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. What will be its negation? Its negation will be, yes, 2 is not less than 3. Or आपको लिख परिबा में 2 is greater than or equal to 3, right? 2 is greater than equal, because हम जानिचु real number, if P, A and B are any two real numbers, then A is less than B, or A is equal to B, or A is greater than B. Law of trichotomy. There are 3 possibilities. Real number रे तमे पढ़िथिबो law of trichotomy. A एवं B जदि जेकोनसी दुईटा रियल नंबर हुअंती ताहले आम भितरे प्रश्न आसी पारे कोन एटा जे हम चिंता करि परु जदि A B दुईटा रियल नंबर ताहले A लेस देन B हे पारे, A इक्वल टू B हे पारे, और A greater than B हे पारे. These are the 3 possibilities. No other possibilities there, right? So when it is, we are not accepting this. When we are not accepting this, we can say that A is greater than B or A is equal to B, that is 2 is greater than 3 or 2 is equal to 3. So its negation will be this: 2 is greater than or equal to 3, or simply write that 2 is not less than 3. 2 is not less than 3. Okay, so this is about negation of a statement. Negation बुझी होची. एबे हमें करिबा yes आसीबा compound statement, right? What is a compound statement? Yes, compound which is composed of more than one statements called prime statements, right? Compound statements. Yes, compound statement. Compound statement कहा को कहला? Yes, a compound statement. A statement obtained by combining two or more statements using connectives is called a compound statement. Right? ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦୁଇ ବା ତତ୍ତ୍ୱଧିକ ମାନେ ଦୁଇଟା କି ତିନିଟା କି ଚାରିଟା କି ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଛଅଟା ଏମିତି ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡକୁ ସବୁ ଯୋଡ଼ିକି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାଉ ସେଟାକୁ ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ. କେମିତି ଯୋଡ଼ିବା? କନେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ସ ନାଇଁ, ଗୋଟେ ପାଇପ୍ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାଇପ୍ ଯୋଡୁଛୁ ଆମେ ୱିଥ୍ ଦ ହେଲ୍ପ ଅଫ୍ ଏ କନେକ୍ଟର. ନାଇଁ, ଦୁଇଟା ପାଇପ୍ କୁ ଆମେ ଯୋଡୁଛୁ କେମିତି? କନେକ୍ଟର ସାହାଯ୍ୟରେ. ସେଇଭଳିଆ ଆମେ ଦୁଇଟା ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଯୋଡ଼ିବା ଟୁ ଫର୍ମ ଏ ନ୍ୟୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ. କେମିତି ଯୋଡ଼ିବା? ୱିଥ୍ ଦ ହେଲ୍ପ ଅଫ୍ କନେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ସ. सो कनेक्टिव द्वारा जोड़िकी जो नुआ गोटे बड़ स्टेटमेंट पाउचे, गोटे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड स्टेटमेंट पाउचे, सेटा को हमें कहबा कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट. जेति अच्छा, लेट अस सी फर्स्ट व्हाट आर द कनेक्टिव्स. Yes, connectives are and whose symbolic representation is this, and or whose symbolic representation is this. Only if its symbolic representation is this, and if and only if that is also IFF. If we write IFF, if whose symbolic representation is double arrow marked like this. These are the connectors, these are the connectives. And or only if and only if. Individually we will read about all these type of connectives. How we can use these connectives to form compound statements. हमें पढ़िबा व्यस्त दरकार नहीं, केवल मन रख ए चारिटा होचंदी कनेक्टिव टोटल आउ नाहंती. इंग्लिश रे बहुत प्रकार रो कनेक्टिव्स अछंती, बहुत अछंती, बट सो यस इभले अनेक एंड और ये सब भी अछंती. इफ अछंती, इफ एंड ओनली इफ. आईएफएफ इफ गोटे मार्क करथिबो तुमे. आईएफएफ इफ सेट सर मान कहती आईएफएफ जहाँ आईएफ से या नो, दे आर डिफरेंट, राइट? विल रीड. तो ए भलिया जिंस हमें पढ़िबा कनेक्टिव्स. तो फर्स्ट देखिबा हमें कहिले कोन ना दुई बा ताठारु अधिका स्टेटमेंट जेते बेले जोड़ी करी आमे कनेक्ट करिकी गोटे नुआ स्टेटमेंट पाउचु सेटा को कहूचु गोटे कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट. It is not a simple statement. It is a compound statement, right? And केमिति जोड़ुचु with the help of these connectives and or only if and only if, right? So let us see. Acha. In a compound statement, the individual statements are called prime statements, but they are up to us. The way we are choosing, it is up to our choice which will be the prime statement. Let us take an example. Yes, I will clear up this. So take the screenshot or note it down. Yes, कौन पढ़ते हैं? Compound statement. Let us take an example. In your book, if it is Sunday or Friday, then Hari is on leave. Hari is on leave. Right? If it is or Hari does not read. Sunday or Friday. तो Sunday हेतिबो किंबा Friday हेतिबो ताले Hari does not read. Right? So here you see, suppose P. It is Sunday. It is Sunday. Q is the statement. It is Friday. It is Friday. R. Hari reads. एमती हेतरिबो P Q R R suppose एमती हेतरिबो. It is Sunday or Friday. Negation of R will be what? Negation of R nahi. Negation of S. What is S? Another statement. That is Hari does not read. You see, this is the statement. If R, then S. If R, then S. Then S. So here R and S are prime. But if you take, if P or Q, then S. The primes are P, Q and S are prime. So the primeness of the statement depends upon us. To which connective we are giving emphasis. We will discuss in later on. First, you see, it is Sunday. If it is Sunday or Friday, then Hari does not read. This is a compound statement. It is composed of so many simple statements. It is Sunday, one statement. It is Friday, another statement. Hari reads भी ହେଇପାରିବ. Hari reads ଗୋଟେ statement. Hari does not read modified by not. It is a negation. Right? तो इस सब को combine करके हमें ଗୋଟେ नया statement पाउଛୁ which is called a compound statement. Right? And these statements, prime statements or prime components. R and S are prime. If R, then R here. This is the prime component of the statement. If R, then S. If R, then S. If R, then S. What are the prime components? Are the prime components of the compound statement. Here P, Q, S are the prime components of the compound. So it is our choice. It is our need. जितेबले दरकार से अनुसार हमें प्राइम स्टेटमेंट नहीं था. Right? Yes. So let us read one by one. We have read the negation of a statement. Now we will read one by one compound statement. There are 4 different types of compound statements, as there are 4 connectives, and also they will also combine to form complicated statements. Anyway, let us see. And in each case, we will take the help of truth table. Truth table ला साहाଯ୍य नबा आमे एथि पई नबा जे जेतेबेले गोटे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हे जिवो कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट गुडे सेही कनेक्टिव गुडा को बारंबार यूज हे क्री नेगेशन एंड दीज 4 कनेक्टिव्स एमन व्यवहार करके बहुत बड़ बड़ कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट आमे बनै परिबा ताले सेही कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट केतेबेले ट्रू हबो केतेबेले फॉल्स हबो केमती जानिबा जानिबा पय हम पखरे डिफिकल्ट बेले बेले हे जाय. हां तेणु आमे परफेक्टली तार ट्रूथ वैल्यू जानिबा पई we will take the help of truth table. It is very simple. समस्त very interesting also. समस्त पई बहुत सहज बहुत आनंददायक भी केमती भाबरे आमे ट्रूथ वैल्यू पाइबा. Let us see. Yes. First, we will find a compound statement using the connective and, right? And व्यवहार करिकी हमें गोटे compound statement बनेगा, right? जहार ना होची conjunction. कौन कहबे देखो conjunction. Conjunction, right? Conjunction क्या कहबे? It is a compound. A conjunction is a compound statement obtained by combining two simple, not necessarily simple, two statements using the connective and व्यवहार करिकी and जार symbolic representation हो जेटा, not the brackets, and symbolic representation this and व्यवहार करके जेतेबेले दीटा स्टेटमेंट को हमें जोड़ू गोटे नुआ स्टेटमेंट पाऊ सेटा कहू कंजक्शन. इट इज ए कंजक्शन. हां, लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल. If that is if P and Q are any two statements then P and Q is a conjunction. It is a compound statement. It is a compound statement P and Q. This is a conjunction. P and Q is a if P is a statement, Q is another statement, then P and Q is a conjunction. Symbolically we represent it as P and Q, right? P and Q এইভাবে আমি রিপ্রেজেন্ট করু যদি P গোটে স্টেটমেন্ট Q ইজ अनदर স্টেটমেন্ট দেন P and Q টাକୁ আমি কইবা গোটে কনজংশন রাইট যাহাକୁ ଆମେ সিম্বলিক্যালি এমতি লেখু P and Q right. This is the symbolic representation of this P and Q right. This is ঠিক ভাবে P and Q এটা হচ্ছে গোটে conjunction. Example like yes, we can take an example. Suppose any statement तम मन इच्छा तुम नहीं पार वेरी तुमको जोटा भल लगुच not necessarily mathematical statement, any statement you may choice. Take the example, you will enjoy it. Yes, P say Ram is at Puri, right? Q is a statement. Ram is enjoying the seashore, right? Enjoying the seashore. समुद्र कूल बसिकी से एंजॉय कर he is enjoying the seashore. seashore रो जो मजा नउछि नै कि P हला Ram is at Puri. Ram is at Puri means हम मन भितर आसुथिबो विभिन्न प्रश्न जे राम पुरी रही कोन करूछि. राम जगन्नाथ टेम्पल जाई पारे कि लोकनाथ टेम्पल जाई परछि किमा कोनसी ऑफिस वर्क रे अछि एमती अनेक जिनिस. तेणु आउ गोटे स्टेटमेंट आम पाखे अच्छी राम इज एंजॉयिंग द सी शोर राइट. समुद्र उपकूल मजा नौ फॉर व्हाट पर्पस ही इज एट पुरी. P and Q then P and Q हम कौन राम इज at Puri and he is enjoying the seashore. He is enjoying the seashore. Ram is at Puri and he is enjoying the seashore. This is a conjunction. एठू आम विभिन्न प्रकार कंजक्शन भी बाहर कर परिबा. P and negation of Q. Ram is at Puri and he is not enjoying the seashore. Enjoying the seashore. Conjunction and व्यवहार कर देले गोटे कंजक्शन पाइबा. This is also another conjunction. This is a conjunction. This is a conjunction. Ram is at Puri and he is not enjoying the seashore. Or if negation of P then Q and negation of P and Q, Ram is not at Puri and he is enjoying the seashore. Right? Or in the only conjunction, negation of P and negation of Q. Right? ये पुरी रे नहीं हमें कौन पूछू? Ram is not at Puri and he is enjoying the seashore. अन्य हमारे इंग्लिश भाषा रीति में कौन कहते हैं? Ram is not at Puri but he is enjoying the seashore. Ram is not at Puri but he is enjoying the seashore. In the different conjunctions can be made, right? So then the question is, when a conjunction will be true? हम बेले बेले किसी न बुझी कथाटा सत्य मिछ एमती सब आर्गुमेंट करू किंतु हम जदि मैथमेटिक्स रा ई लॉग पढ़िबा ए टेबल को पढ़िबा ताहले मन इच्छा हमें कोटा ट्रू बा कोटा फॉल्स कहि परिबा नाही हला जहा कहिबा अकॉर्डिंग टू द ट्रूथ टेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉग बुझियला फर्स्ट जे गोटे कंजक्शन केमती बना जाए राम इज एट पुरी Ram is enjoying the seashore. So it is P and Q. P and Q. It is a conjunction. Kendi Ram is at Puri and he is enjoying the seashore. आमे समस्ते इथरे well acquainted and व्यवहार करिकी दीटा स्टेटमेंट को सेंटेंस को आमे जोड़ीछु. अनेक सेंटेंस एमती जोड़ीछु दीटा सेंटेंस तमे निज घर प्रैक्टिस आगु करिचो इंग्लिश रे. Hari and Gopal are going to the school. Hari and Gopal. That means Hari is going to school and Rama is also going to school. So both are going to school. And meaning which here. So let us see the law of conjunction. The law of conjunction. Let us write. Law of conjunction. What is the law? Law states that when the statement, when the conjunction will be true, or when it will be false. When it will be true or when it will be false, right? So law of conjunction. Law of conjunction says law of conjunction. A conjunction is true only when both of its prime statements are true. In all other cases it is false. और सब केस रे false हो. This is the law of conjunction. A conjunction is true. केतेबेले हो जेतेबेले true हो केतेबेले जेतेबेले दीटा प्राइम स्टेटमेंट ट्रू थिबे और सब बेले एटा false हो. Very good. Let us truth table. Write the truth table. According to the law, truth table is formed. Say this is the table 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. P, it is suppose Q, it is P and Q. Yes, what are the possibilities? Both are true, this is true, this is false, or this is false, this is true, or both. You see, while we are taking two statements, P and Q, these are the possibilities. That is, both these statements are true, may be true, or P true, Q false, or P false Q true or both are false इमतिया स्टेटमेंट भी है पाए ताले एटी कोन हबो लॉ कोन कहछि जेतेबेले दीटा जागा स्टेटमेंट ट्रू थिबो प्राइम स्टेटमेंट P एंड Q रो प्राइम स्टेटमेंट की है P एवं Q P और Q होचंदी P एंड Q रो प्राइम स्टेटमेंट जेतेबेले दीटा जागा ट्रू होबे सेतिबेले ट्रू आ सबु बेले फॉल्स येठी देखो ई केस रे दीटा जागा ट्रू होचंदी ताले एटा ट्रू ट्रू false अच्छी false होबो false true अच्छी false होबो both are false it will be false so it is very easy to determine suppose जो हमें करूथिले conjunction P and Q हमें देखिबा जो प्राइम कंपोनेंट रहला P और Q से दीटा जाको ट्रू ना false जदि दीटा जाको ट्रू अछि ताहले it is true suppose P हला 2 is an even 2 is even in shortcut I am writing 2 is even and Q है 2 is not prime ताले कहले देखि P and Q टा कोन हबो is false why because this is true and this is false 2 is even it is true 2 is not prime it is false दुई गोटे मौलिक संख्या नुहे not prime will go it is false so P and Q will be false because true and false so this is the law okay now time is over we will read more in the next lecture okay समस्त बहुत धन्यवाद एवं मु आशा करूची तुमे समस्ते